Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In the neck of the woods? Oh, what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. All of you who are new right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey, I want to still there right now. Manners and respect. Now, today I'm going to be sharing with you a beautiful little recipe. A recipe that from me left country a little bit, me never hear nobody cook it. I don't know if they don't know if I cook it or them forget or I don't know. Maybe some people cook it somewhere about the place. But it is a nice, beautiful recipe and it's a simple recipe. Curried pork. Curry pork, yeah, curry pork. Now, on this, we are going to be doing this video in two parts. This part, it is going to be the most, not really the most, but this part is what I want you to pay. You're going to pay attention to everything. But this is the part that I want you to pay attention to the most. We are going to be sort of doing a little spiced, cured spice mixture for the pork first. Because let me tell you something. Fresh pork gives diarrhea when it's not properly cooked. And also curry. So we have to administer this thing with manners and respect. Now we are going to be coming right back to it. But how do you do, please? We got a few little community service announcements. Just a few. Just a few. So we want to get right into them. The first and the foremost is we want to give a shout out to Nana and Malaya. M-A-L-I-A Malaya. Nana, if me don't pronounce it right, please correct me in the comment section. Nana and Malaya, it's grandma and granddaughter. Little Malaya, I think she's only 8. And she's on the Jamaican cooking journey with Nana. They watches it together. Nana, please hug little Malaya for me. Please let her know that Debbie Dongayard and Camera Girl, we love her to death. Nana, manners and respect, big up on yourself, Nana and Malaya. And I want you all in the comment section to send some love to Nana and especially little Malaya. Okay? Millie's World, we are big her up today. Long time. Millie's World, big up yourself. Yeah, manners and respect. Grace Love Pink, she said, Debbie, shout me out. Manners and respect, Grace Pink Love. Alright, Grace Love Pink. Alright, Grace Love Pink. How they do, please? Now, last but not least, our brother on the Jamaican cooking journey here, he also has 3 channels. That is Amaru Cooks. He have a cooking channel by the name of Amaru Cooks. He has another channel by the name of Amaru Music. And he has another one by the name of, I think, Amaru Online. Now, Amaru Cooks, he's a very busy brother. Very busy brother. He is a musician. He's an independent artist. He might doing something on him own. And he might make big move and he might step up in a life. Amaru, big up yourself. Manners and respect. Now, YouTube family, I'm just asking of you. Just go over to Amaru. Some of you have all been subscribed to him. I'm not sure if you know. Is I think one of his single or something. He has made a landmark. He must step up a little thing, he must move up the ladder of success. So what I want for you to just go over to Amaru Music. If you even put it on Amaru Cooks, nothing around. Just go there and show a brother some love. Just say, Amaru, big up yourself, manners and respect. Amaru, thanks. We appreciate the love. We appreciate it. We respect you and we are happy for you for your achievement. Your achievements. I'm more than one, but him have a latest one, It is love, always support. We are to always learn to support. So I'm just asking of you, family, those of you who are so interested, just to go over and to say, Amaru, congratulations and all your success in your music business. I beg of you. Thank you so much. Amaru, big up yourself again. Hello, how do you do, please? A pork time. Yeah. So if you didn't hear your name called and you'd like for me to big you up right here on the Jamaican cooking journey, please let me know in the comments section. I want to big up some people, but I don't know if I can call the people their name. You have got to give me permission, okay? Also, we have got a P.O. box now. Bless the Lord. Thank you, God. Because so many people have been asking, Debbie, have you got a P.O. box? We want to send you a little gifts. We want to send you some of the food that we cook. Hello, please. We'll be grateful for it. And all of that. So, we have got a little post office box. But we will leave all that information when you cook some food and you want to post some to Debbie down a yard. We're going to leave that old P.O. box thing in the description of this video. So you know what happened? Me now go hungry no more at Jamaica. Cook food that go come through the P.O. Now worry on yourself. Manners and respect. Into this pork. Now we have got here some pork. It's cooked. Sorry, it's washed and cleaned properly. So we look some pork I have like a stew, like you're gonna stew. So we have the little bone and all of that. This is just like a kilo. So what we are going to do right here, right now, you must have this pork well drained. You know? Okay, your pork is well drained. We want to season this pork a particular way. And we're going to leave it to marinate for about 24 hours is best, but 6 hours, it won't get no problem. We will not be administering this curry thing in this part. It's curry pork, but I want to season it a specific way to show you on how we are going to leave it to marinate. Now, you're going to be only using pimento seeds. You're going to be using garlic, ginger, and a little salt for now. Now, I am going to be grating off my garlic and my ginger. And I'll be going to smash these pimento seeds until they come almost powdery. And I'll be coming back to make like a paste. And I'm going to show you what we are going to do. We soon come back. Okay, now family, we went ahead and we grated off our garlic. Don't worry, I leave in the description. This is 1 kilo. I leave in the description the amount. That means if you're using more than 1 kilo, you know you don't have to double up on these spices. You can just put a little extra. Not because you're using 2 kilo, you double up. Not necessarily, not go so. We're going to do some video for show you some of them extra, and you know how you put the extra spices and seasoning. Now that we have it, we have this here. This is the garlic when we grate it. This is how it looks. Camera girl, you can get in on that for the family. This is the ginger. And if you notice that the garlic and the ginger is like almost the same proportion. But we will leave for you in the description of the video the amount. We have some pimento. You see the real pimento seed? You just beat it. And if you want to sieve it out, you can sieve it out. Bring it to powder. Because sometimes you don't really just need the seed of its own. What we want to do inside here, so now we want to give it a little stir. If you have one of them mortar, this is not the right one, you know. This I don't know. This is that. It is one, you see, like it was made in China. And from you see, you know it go from your ear. It's made in China. But let us work. This should be heavier, but it light like a cork. So what you want to do, if you have one of these, the good ones, you want to be doing a little beating. You want to carry this thing like to a paste. The consistency of the garlic especially will bring it to a paste. So you're going to be doing like this. You know, if you kill yourself, just gently. So let us go do it. And when it comes to a paste, we will come right back to show you how you must administer this thing. So, okay. Look at this. This is what we have. This is like a paste marinade. This, when you have the better ones, invest in one of these, the ones with the heavier little thing to beat. It would give you more, like, you know, it would have crushed it some more. But now when I tell you where it comes from already, so I want to know where I go on. I'm going to get myself a better one. This method that I'm using, it helps to get the 3 spices, which is the ginger, the garlic, and the pimento seed. It helps to get the flavors to gel properly together. This method. Okay. So, this is what we have. Remember, I told you I will leave for you in the description. Now, this is fresh pork, so you're going to be needing a little salt. But remember that we have to go, when we're ready for curry, we are going to add some curry You understand? So curry have some salt, so we don't want to put too much salt. We can always add some. So we are going to be putting about, this is like about a teaspoon or a little troops. I'm not sure if it is a full teaspoon. Get your gloves. Or you don't have to get this, because you know my style, you know, I don't have no gloves. So what you want to do now, you want to rub in this. This is what is going to give the pork this season, this cured. This what I'm saying? You're going to be rubbing up it, and make sure while you're rubbing it up, you're letting everything get really involved, you know. Massage it in. This is like a, you know, kind of little high profile massage, and a really little gentle one, you know. But remember, you must be careful because there are some little bones, you know. You tease them up and you rub them up. Now that you have done that, you're gonna be removing your bag. We are gonna wash your hand, because this is a serious, this is a high profile liquor blend, you know. Really spicy, even though you see the ginger and the pimento seed, there's a lot of spice. So we definitely gonna be doing that. Now we are gonna try with Anna and come back, eh? Now that you have done that, you're gonna be sealing in this spice mix here in this pork here. So you're gonna be using some cling. If you don't have no cling, you can use a cut out a bag. I don't know my style, you know. So you're just gonna be gently putting it on here, because you want to get these spices and all of these things all wrapped in. So we're gonna be wrapping it. You know the norm, because this thing is like it is working me. So we're gonna go wrap this. You know how to wrap your thing. Wrap it in the cling. So we soon come. We're gonna wrap this thing good, because it will get trouble. Okay, we are back. We had to go off camera, family, to do that. So we know that's not a problem, because you all know how to use your cling. So you want to have it all really cling like this. Cling properly. Camera girl had to help me because this thing wasn't moving right. So you want to have it like this. Then you want to be putting it into a ziplock. And you want to have it like this. Please close it. Let out the excess something. And you're going to be putting it in your refrigerator. 24 hours is a very, very good duration of time. But on this video, I think I'll be leaving it for just about 3 hours. Just to, you know, the time, in the essence of time, for me to get to do it for you in part 2. But if you can leave this overnight or for 24 hours, it is better. So this is how we are doing the pork. This is how we are this is how we are taking care of this pork before we come back in part 2 to show you how to cook curry pork. Curry pork is a very nice dish. It is so nice. It can be, you can have it and you can feel nice and enjoy it and everything. But you have got to know how to prepare it. You have got to know how to, you know, just get up and the curry. No, you've got, this is the most important part. This part is the most important part. I've shared it with you. I hope I've liked what I've done, and I hope you were all in on this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. If you have liked what I've done on this little video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to share. Remember to leave your comments below. Okay? Principled and decent. Remember to go and say a little love to Nana and little Malaya, especially in the comment section. Remember to go by Amaru's channel. Go say, howdy do Amaru, we are happy for you. Just that. Howdy do Amaru, we are happy for you. We are also going to be leaving how you spell howdy do in the comment section. Howdy do Amaru, we are happy for you. That is a beautiful little congratulatory message. So go show Amaru some love. He's stepping up the ladder. He's grinding. When a brother or a sister is grinding and moving on up, we ought to be happy for them. Happy, we are learning to be happy for our brothers and sisters, better yet our YouTube family. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember, we're going to leave our PO box information in the description of this video, and this is where the box stops, right here on the currying of the pork. So we have marinated it, we have shown you. When you see us next in part 2, curry pork.